How do you pitch your businesses to um these businesses? So the first thing for you to do is for you to locate the one you need. Maybe I should even go back to okay, let's start with beauty care. Or okay, let's start with beauty care. Let's take beauty care for example. I tap on beauty care and it leads me to this place and all those blah 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 blah. Okay. So I can decide to, oh, I don't like this beauty care, but it's okay. Let's explore beauty care. Let's explore. Okay, so I can decide to, let's say I'm using beauty care for example, but you can go to other areas so like food. They are, food they need your services almost every time. Food, the area of food and other, food and other areas they need your services. But let's just go with this one. Here we have House of Tara. I will the first thing I'll do is for me to copy everything in this page. Oh, pardon me. I'll copy everything in this page. I'll share with you a document about you can decide to copy everything on the page. You know how to copy everything. Eh? The way I want to show you how to copy. Um okay, so you can start to select all. Let's select all, and then we now have copy. You copy everything. Open your ChatGPT or any other tool you have around. Let's say we use to like chat. Okay, let's use ChatCoin. Let's use Coin AI. Just search for Coin AI. Log in directly to take you in directly, like mine. As you can see, I'm already logged in, so I will just say okay. I'll just type this simple prompt. I want you to do a deep research about these businesses, and and analyze their weaknesses and 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 how how I can I can contribute how I can contribute to their business to their business through my AI video art skill. Okay. Sorry, let me use something like by creating, oh my god, by creating AI video ads for them. So once you type that, you can paste the whole thing there. It's just that, and then before you even do that, also you can also write, also extract details and and WhatsApp number, very important, WhatsApp number of those clients, of those businesses. This one they are in beauty care niche, beauty care niche, and in those businesses, and um and and briefly briefly write a pitch for each of them. So if you write this, and I say briefly write a pitch for each of them, and then after that I put full stop, a pitch for each of them, then paste it. You see, I've pasted the whole thing. That is, now I can just tap on this plus sign. If you have not used Quen before, then you have to bear with me. So just after that, just look for thinking. You see this way we have thinking. Tap on it. Then you now change it to, make sure that it's on thinking. Don't leave it on auto, leave it on thinking. Or you can use deep research, but not to bother yourself much, not to waste much time, because deep research will take much time. So we can use thinking mode, then send it. It will take time to think and even do the research for you. So that is just it. Let's wait for it. So it has already given me, you can see the result already. The result is already amazing, but there are some things that you can't depend on here. So please, so as you can see, just as I was saying, you can see the result. You can see the result. You can see deep research. He has done a very deep research on their weaknesses and all those things. So you can further the research by saying that it should specify each businesses, their weaknesses, and all those things. Even did the research on their location and all those things. So it's very important. And also wrote for you a pitch to them. You can see the whole thing. But I want you to actually optimize this pitch. You can actually write under prompt. You can say without changing anything. Optimize the pitch. The pitch to be polite. To be polite. That pitch is not polite. It's not respectful. Respectful and and friendly. So let's send this, and then you will see the result. So there are some things I did not include there. So you can say you can start by greeting them, by greeting. I'm doing this because I'm rushing. That's why I have not taken my time to write the prompt and tell them, begin to so you can start by greeting and introducing yourself and services and avoid avoid words like help, because you're not there to help them. You're not, even though you are there to help them, I know you are there to help them, but don't use the word help. It looks disrespectful. So don't just use word like contribute. They are already you need to appreciate them also as well, because they're already doing a great job. You can also say appreciate them as well. Just take your time, make sure you get the writing. Just keep on writing it until when you get the writing and everything is in order, then you can copy the whole thing. You can also ask them for the links to their social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, and all those things. Then from here you can begin to reach out to them So you can begin to, like, you want to go and check their Facebook and see what they're doing and all those things, so that the person can also be sure that yes, I've checked out. Okay, let me just include this in the prompt. Also indicate, no, let's not include it. Or just say, let's say, okay, just say indicate that you've seen their businesses, on Facebook or any other platform 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 platforms, any other platform they are active on, so that the businesses and their business and have been following them, have been following up the businesses. Sorry, oh my god, the businesses on Facebook and have been following up, and then have been following up. So after that, you can then send it, and it will just it will pull up every details. It will craft the whole thing for you, rearrange the whole thing in such a way that you're able to get. These are good ways. Take your time, get what you want. You know what you want. You need their details. You need their contacts. You need a very good pitch for their businesses. That is human waiting. So you need all these things. These are the ways to approach it. So that is just it. All for now. Let's wait for the result. So as you can see, it has already given you the result with the pitch and everything, respectful and all those things. But is he used the another name for, you can see, and the founder of of G's Corner. So you need to change that G's Corner to your own name, So you are going to be here saying, I'm the founder of, to the name of your business rather. I'm the founder of Edos Digital Concept, and all these things matters a lot. So the way you prompt it, the way you can also come here and still change and say just change the name. You can type, do anything you want to do, but let's just say that this corner is your name. So you can actually type here and say change the name to blah 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 blah, blah, and then to give you another version, changing the name. So you just go to your, after, just copy it. You know how to copy it. I want to show you what to do next. So let's not take much time. Tap on copy this, copy it, go to your WhatsApp, pardon me, to your WhatsApp. Oh my god, go to your WhatsApp, let's say to your own chat, to your own line. As you can see, this is your online. Paste it there, and then here you will see that these are all the numbers will appear visible. You can see. You can edit the pitch, make it look more human. Don't send it like this. So hope you know that. You have to change some things, add some things to it. Do this, and also get your portfolio. Like you can see the way I drop my portfolio on the group, like the link to the videos you have been creating, or even show them examples, sample videos of you have created before, similar to their own niche. Or you can just go and create, if you have not created anyone in their own niche, then if if you have not created anyone in the niche, like you have not created anyone in the niche, so you have to just go and create just a simple one. So I advise you to focus on one niche or